Hello guys, it's your girl Yashali Resi, and yes, on Fine Entertainment TV show, Celebrity Talk Show. So guys, today we are here with an amazing person. Yes. Mtu mkali zaidi ya. Nitasema tu hivyo. Tamwacha introduce. Yes.
Yo man, all of my seven crew ya dano. The bar man killer girl em skiller. Smash wonder. Boom, Fine Entertainment.
Wow.
Yeah man.
Welcome to the show. Yeah, Mashwanda. Yeah. So we know you as Mashwanda. What do you do? What unafanya nini currently?
Yeah man, I'm a performing artist and I'm a producer, singer, songwriter. Yeah man.
Oh, how do you do all that? You have 3 cups, right? Unafanya aje kazi hizo zote?
I normally program myself. Mostly I'm a producer, music producer.
So you do producing, you major on that?
Yeah, you're on your, like I can say you're on your main career.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah man.
So how can we say this is Mashwanda? Unaweza explain aje wewe kama Mashwanda?
Yeah man, Mashwanda, music producer, singer, dancer, in fact to be in particular, dancer, singer.
Wow.
I sing, okay, dancing, but I do dancehall music.
Okay.
Dancehall music, yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So in the dancehall music, we can see that una major na kikisi, gusi.
Yeah, the gusi music. You know, music is music. Music has its own language. When I started, I was doing the wagwan thing, yeah man. If you know this, no. But I found out like some people hawangenielewa rahisi. So I had to switch to the vernacular way. And that's an inspiration from people like Eddie Kenzo, people like Jose Chameleon. They rock the vernacular and still you can see them on Grammy and BET. So music is a language by itself. But after that, still we have ngoma zingine zenye sikisi.
Oh, that's nice. So how can you tell people wale wenye maybe they're doing their local music, utawaambia aje? Most of them they're not rising up.
It's all about how you set it. Your strength first, check it out. You know, kama unajua uzuri wako ni kuimba bongo flavor, see how you can twist the bongo flavor. Don't run away from it uanze kuimba taarab. So just first of all, msajue your strength yake. Then you focus.
Okay, that's nice. So in the music industry, tunaona like most of the people, most of the Kenyan musicians, they're not in the national level or international level. What do you think is the problem?
The problem is the industry settings. Settings zetu Kenya ziko funny. I can call them funny because it was there before. When we were growing up, we had Ogopa, Calif. These are studios that zilifanya wasanii. They were performing on international platforms like Kenyan music was Kenyan music. But since 2010 kuja juu Mula, when they went to the BET, hapo ndio game ya Kenya ilishia. So I think settings za industry ndio hazijakuwa revised poa.
So can we say also the content of musician?
Content iko juu. Content iko juu. Like content ya Kenya ni content inaweza fit everywhere.
So what can we do as the entertainment industry?
Ni settings. Okay, let me yeah man, let me talk about the settings. Settings is DJs, promoters, media. But let me talk about promoters. Promoters wana underpay the talent yenye iko Kenya, wana overpay talent ya nje. For example, many Nigerian artists, Tanzanian artists, they get paid more in Kenya than even in their own countries. So unapata hiyo iwezi fanya industry ipate morals, the moral support, ile moral ya kudu kitu kali. We have people who have been to international stages before. Octopizo, Nyash, Kali, Sauti Sol. Hao ni wase wamekuanga international stages. But ukiangalia payment, unapata msee mwenye hajulikani na ijaa ameletwa Kenya, anataka kulipo more than Nyash mwenye ni star wa Kenya for long. So unaona hizo vitu zinafanya industry isiende nje, inabaki home. Alafu sasa unapata tuna support nje, tu support home. Rick Omondi had a right point, hata kama wasee walimfight ama pia naye kama alikuwa na self interest, but he had the right point. Content ya Kenya iko juu once itapewa more airplay.
Okay, content iko juu. So you as a producer and as a musician, what do you get for the musician out there?
Mazee, ni bidii tu.
So unawasaidia nini in the community and all that?
Okay, me personally, I've raised more talents before. Me personally, I've raised several talents, and my latest talent to work with was Gadimiti.
Wow.
The street nigga right now is making moves. Mungu ni mkuu. Yeah, man.
Well, that's nice. So on that, how can we say that you as a producer and as a musician, how can you rate yourself right now?
10 over 10.
10 over 10. Umejieka pale 10 over 10. So to other musician, you unafanya kama wewe kama musician na at the same time as a producer. Unajua kuna kuanga na challenge ya musician with the producers. So wewe unaielewa. Unaweza tuambia nini kuhusu hayo?
The only challenge is all about find a producer who understands your style first of all. Wale wasanii wengi wenye wamego far, look at Diamond. He works with Yoliza for like majority ya projects zake. See, Diamond can't work with other producers. Look at Otile Brown. Otile Brown has a sack of producers. Vicky Pandis, Iaji. Like sound zake ziko hapo. And many other artists like had the band mostly wanawak na Sedo with another artist, another producer. So artist find producer mwenye anaelewa sound yake, ina make rahisi kumove. Yeah.
So in the recent kwa music industry in Kenya tunaona like the gospel artists wanarudi to secular music. Mostly what do you think it's a problem, mama?
Say hakuna gospel kwa anaimba. The only artist who was singing gospel hata sahi bado anaimba gospel. Huyo ni true. Because unajua being a gospel artist, you're not an artist. You're a minister. Because you are saving souls to Christ. But kuna wase walikuwa kwa gospel like ni do, ni biashara. Na unajua biashara kwa Christ inafanywa different, si venye kawaida venye unataka kufanya. And I can say wale wase wote wametoka kwa gospel kuingia secular, they should check their foundation, because you may never know, maybe Mungu anaweza judge anytime, cause sisi hatuwezi wa judge. Huwezi mjudge mbona ameacha hivyo, but Mungu wake yeye na yeye watadil, tuna Mungu abatishi.
So you are saying that mostly maybe the gospel walikuwa wanatafuta tu pesa.
Hawakuwa wasanii wa gospel.
So it's not even tuwezi sema ni clout chasing ama
hakuna clout. Some of them we could share stage na unapata msee amelewa, yani ako ametingika design flani, ako na mzuka kuperform. Not all gospel artists can be role models if we were looking for role models from such people. But very few who are still doing the gospel, if I can say Guardian Angel. Guardian Angel is doing the gospel of Jesus Christ. Mr. T. He's doing, like we can name them, they are Kina Eunice Njeri and the rest. But our my boys when you're mengia secular, ile kwa drama tu.
Hawakuwa in the gospel industry.
Ile kwa vipindi.
Okay, what about chairman?
Ringtone. Okay, first of all I respect Ringtone. But Ringtone alifika mahali akakuwa na story mob kuliko mziki. Sijui mbona mziki wa Ringtone umekuwa scarce. Unaweza toa ngoma moja for a while alafu apige story mob. So chairman bado gospel yake imeshuka.
Sasa utawaambia nini the gospel who are shifting from gospel to
hapo hakuna
as a producer and an artist at the same time.
yenye ina work ndo hiyo yenye ina work
Yenye ina work, follow it. We fanya tu.
Fanya tu.
You get the content, you get the money and all that.
Judgment kila mtu na Mungu wake.
Okay, sawa. That's cool. That's amazing though. Yeah, so back to music and back to producing. Kuna kuanga na a lot of challenges when we find a musician who are ladies with the producers. Yeah. So mostly shida inakuanga nini? Aswa.
Shida ni venye mtu ujibeba like unatakaje. Hivyo tu.
So why don't producers be straightforward? Hapa tuko business.
But sio wote.
Okay, most of the artists who are they complain about that. The upcoming
I think I need to hear one from you. Because personally, if you are a lady, I will treat you different. You understand? Why? Ladies, emotions zenu ni different na za wanaume. Like a boy child anaimba vibaya, anambia bro, mazee unaimba vibaya sana. But atatia bidii atakill, but demu kimwambia hivyo umemkill kabisa. So kuna hiyo nini, hiyo moral ya kuwork. But any producer mwenye anaweza take advantage of a lady cause ndiye kwa pricing ama whatever, huyo lack ethics. Cause after all, you don't know that star ndiye inaweza change your life but who may kill. But pia huyo dem alikujaje, naona.
So most of them wanakuja na intentions zao.
Unajua pia producers ni wanadamu. Yeah. So unapata demo amekuja akiwa na vishawishi fulani. So upata mzee vishawishi vimekulemea ukaanguka. So ni njia mbili hapa. Demo akiwa kama amejielewa vizuri, amejibeba vizuri, mpige kazi yake, msupporti, atagrow, ataleta faida kubwa kwa studio. Lakini demo kama anajibeba vibaya na wewe tabia yako nzuri, basi utamrekebisha. Kama nyote yenu mbaya, basi ziende tu.
Okay, so apart from that, kuna the government and the entertainment industry and music. Does it support music?
The government of Kenya has failed completely, because when you go to other governments like Malawi ambassador alileta dancers hapa Kenya na their culture was sold vizuri Kenya. They went to Churchill live, everything. Go to Jamaica, we have oldest singers like Burning Spear and the rest still in the game, still earning from the game. But Kenya unapata some of the legends sila amekufa ndio anasemekana aliyekuwa ameimba hivi. So our government doesn't care for the generation wale wale set trend 70s, 80s, 90s. People in Kenya industry, acting, music, everything. The government has failed.
Wow. So what can Kenyans do as a musician? What can you do about it?
One thing I love about democracy right now, we have people who are going to sit pale kwa kutengeza sheria. We have been having Jaguars, kesho kata arudi, but people like Bahati, Jalango and the rest wakika huko, at least tutakuwa na hope wataunda hizo sheria zenye zinaweza.
Si Jaguar amekuwa kwa government na
Jaguar ni venye maybe alikuwa peke yake. Naweza mtetea kidogo, but sahi Jalango ingie, MC Jesse ingie, Bahati ingie, kina Babu Wino wako pale, najua ni my youngster. Kuna venye wanaweza bring shape.
There is hope.
Kuna hope. Round kuna hope.
Okay, all right. So what would you like, as in kama you are given that opportunity, ama you will be given that opportunity to be among in the government, what will you do different?
The majority ni kumake sure ile ministry ya culture imework, cause hiyo ministry sijui inafanyanga kazi gani. Tuanze kukuwa na events zenye zina make sense, airplay kwa ina make sense, alafu pia ku appreciate local art kwa inaenda juu, alafu pia ku export. Najua hakuna export ya talent inafanywa Kenya unless wewe na Mungu wako na watu wenu mmetoka.
Wow. Okay. So on that tunaweza sema like the Kenyan music industry inafaa kutoka outside by support of the government ama by anyone.
Venye tu itakam, but government ikifanyanga kitu inakuanga strong.
So we need the support from the government.
Because we have artists making moves, not even the mainstream artists, hata the vernacular ones. Akina Samido, Embarambamba, those guys are making moves. But with the government, itakuwa stronger.
Alafu tunaona kuna this other issue about musicians, the Kenyan musicians na other countries musician. Unapata like collabo, there are very few. Yeah. But to other countries unaona like they do collabos. Nini inakuanga mainly then?
I think is the vibration of the artist and the management, because many collaborations are made easy with the record label, of which Kenya we have none. Hatuna record label. Mm-hmm. A record label like Wasafi ita make sure Zuchu ameimba na Adekule, ita make sure Rayvanny ameimba na yule msichana Muhindi nimemsahau. That lady, she's the first Asian lady to hit 1 billion views on YouTube. So record label itafanya easier collabos zifanyike, but so long as wase tuko venye tuko itawezekana, but ita take time sana.
Okay, so on that also kuna this mostly kuna kuanga na awards nini, but tujaiona a local artist aki-win awards or anything, or kama hizo awarding enye kuna zinakuanga mostly. What can we do as a musicians or entertainment industry?
Awards waseme kwa kishinda Afrima
local
like awards za local ama awards za huko nje?
Awards za Kenya.
Yeah.
Like the awarding industry kama music industries zenye they do awardings, but unapata the artist, the local artist maybe wenye wanaimba maybe Kikuyu ama nini, tujaiona like they're winning this award.
But kama wewe ni mnoma utashinda, kama wewe si mnoma bado utatry.
Oh, okay. Sawa. Okay, so where can people find you? Uambie mali utapatikana
Yeah man, all of my 7 crew, YouTube, Mashwanda, take me out, yeah. And Facebook is Promashwanda, TikTok Promashwanda, and Instagram Dr. Wanda, you know, like but
Dr. Wanda.
Yeah, Facebook, yani Instagram, but neza sisitiza YouTube. Mashwanda.
Mpate pale Mashwanda, yes. YouTube, Instagram, right? TikTok, Facebook. Yes, doctor. You're a doctor.
Hatari. Niye nikisema Kiswahili watu wanielewi. Mimi ni mganga. So, sasa niseme Kizungu at least watu waelewe kidogo.
Wewe ni mganga. Mganga wa
kama kuna tatizo la nguvu za kiume si hapa.
Wewe ni mganga wa music. So if you need treatment for music, Mashwanda kwa hapa.
Yeah man.
Yes, come for treatment by the way. Yeah,
yes. Yes,
nice one. Yes. Okay, this is Fine Entertainment, guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fine Entertainment Celebrity Talk Show. With you here we have Mashwanda. Go to his Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and utapata daktari wa music. Yes.
Yeah man.